Hi everyone! I am super excited today because I treated myself to some spring goodies and I got some of the most beautiful things. I can't wait to see. Alright, so I purchased 4 products from the Chanel Spring Summer 2021 collection. The colors are supposed to be rosy. The website says the Spring Summer 2021 collection, Les Fleurs de Chanel. That means the flowers of Chanel. They say that for the latest collection, Lucia Pica takes inspiration from blooming flowers. Observing the myriad hues of their petals, she creates a rich, joyful, and vibrant palette of colors with satiny or coppery shimmer and glossy or velvety textures for a sensual yet refined effect. She said, I wanted to study each flower individually to bring out the elegance and personality of each one. So romantic. The collection is just breathtaking. As you will see, there is a makeup tutorial on how she came up with the look. And you want to subscribe right now and hit that bell because I will be trying to use the makeup and applying it the way that she has taught online. And we will see what it looks like on a 51-year-old face instead of on the face of a 18-year-old model. So it will be interesting to see, but I have good hopes for it. Now let's move on to opening this gorgeous package. Every Chanel makeup purchase that comes from the Chanel website will come wrapped as a beautiful gift like this with their personalized ribbon. Ta-da! With the gorgeous insignia double C with a black seal. It looks like a waxed seal. Of course it's not, as it wouldn't be convenient. And folded in the very traditional way with a fold over another fold, so that the client does not get a paper cut as they try to open it. For the face, the Fleurs de Printemps, which I need to look up Printemps. I don't know what that is, but that is the duo. Alexa, Echo, translate from French. What is Printemps?
Okay, ready to translate.
Fleurs de Printemps.
Spring flower.
Printemps. Spring. Spring flower. I love Alexa. I call her something else in this room. And here is the beautiful duo. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's supposed to be a highlighter and the cheek color. And this duo, Fleurs de Printemps, Spring Flower, only has this color combination as an option. I have Le Quatre Ombres, that means the 4 shadows. I think that's beautiful. It's gonna be gorgeous. Les Quatre Ombres. So the 4 shadows. And there are different flavors or combination for the 4 shadows. And I think I bought the Tisse Vendome, and which is number 204. And with the double C. Of course, there you go. These are the colors I got. So I went with more of the coppery peachy colors because I feel like I've been gravitating towards those colors lately. So as you see, I think I did a fantastic job matching up the eyeshadow to the blush duo. Okay, so here is Le Vernis in Colarium. I have no idea what this color looks like, but a coralish pink sounds beautiful for the spring and summer. So I decided to go for that. Here it is. It will be beautiful. I will have my nails in that color pretty soon. And finally, Rouge Allure, which is the lipstick in the color Unbothered. It's called Imperturbable. So let's start with the lipstick and see how that matches up with the color match on the screen. The packaging is familiar to some of you. It has an ombre effect. It's gorgeous. And it has a dofer applicator. I think that's what it's called. The little spongy applicator. So I have a mirror right here. No fragrance. Some beauty bloggers call it the Chanel fragrance. Very subtle. Not flowery or at all. It's gorgeous. Probably wouldn't wear it with this pink shirt that I have on. But it's a pretty color. Let's see how it compares to the photo that I took. I'll let you make the decision. All right, so let's take a look at how to choose the colors on the website by using the cell phone. As you go to Chanel.com, hit America, and then for us, United States. When I got to the main page, I used the search to find my lipstick, Imperturbable. As you scroll down, you will see the try-on icon. You will have to give permission to the site to access your camera, so say allow. And then I started trying different colors. This part was really fun. But you will notice that the colors on the phone are much bluer than they are in real life from the lipstick tryout that we saw. And that's the color right there. I think we all should pamper ourselves this spring with just something to kind of make us regrow from this horrible year that we all had, and spring back with a nice little treat to ourselves and to our families, because when we are well put together, we're leaving a legacy to our children, both our girls and our boys, to know that some people pamper themselves and it's okay. I can't wait to try those on. I hope you guys subscribe so you can see it when it goes live. And I will try to wear my hair back just like they did on the grand day. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Chanel products. See you soon. Thank you for stopping by, and see you next time. But don't forget to subscribe. Fleurs de Printemps. I call her something else in this room.
Fleurs de Printemps.